lalela lana-ke makuthi
uyayikhumbula leya necklace owayicele yase-American Swiss?
How long have you been together? Alright guys, let me get straight to the point. And what we do on the show, we actually make couples switch phones. We are testing your guys' loyalty. So you go through each other's WhatsApp.
Why you laughing, bro? Why you laughing, bro?
okay.
Why is he laughing?
Yes.
Did we miss something? Let me know. Did we miss something here, right?
To check if you guys are not cheating on each other. I mean, 8 months is a long time.
Okay.
Asanda, Sia, how do you feel?
Hayi, angina stress.
You don't have an issue?
Yeah.
You're willing to switch?
Yeah.
Asand?
Mara uzoqala yena vile phone yakhe.
Hey, why must he start?
Hayi nje. Just.
But nawe yakho uzoyivula?
Yeah,
Remember,
kuzodependa.
she's the church girl, by the way. You tell your son, and she barely even drinks alcohol, yeah, and she stays indoors.
On what, Asand?
Like ukuthi yini engizoyibona efonini yakhe. If ke nami ngifeel ukuthi angifuni ukuthi avule ifoni yami, angeke yaze ayivule.
Sia, did you hear that?
How?
Yeah, kuzodependa.
Our girl,
You.
that girl,
Just you.
I can't lie, dog. I told you about church girls. These church girls be like, say, they be moving on another level, dog. They be moving on another level. These are the most special, or how can I phrase it? These are the most or best cheaters, dog. Church girls. Hey, these people are special.
Kuzodependa, it's fine. Sia, copy phone. We'll start with his phone, ne?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let me hold your phone. We're not gonna check it. You just wanna hold it.
Okay.
To make sure you're not deleting stuff, Asanda. Phone is here.
what's he?
Yeah, I'm coming phone. Yeah. Phone. Please open it. Passcode, password.
Okay.
Brothers looking scared.
Okay, thank you. Okay, here, love, take it. Okay, please go to his WhatsApp.
Okay. And what?
Okay. Ooh, type love you.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I just get how he's laughing.
Yeah, kumele mina ngiwani.
Okay, delete that.
Okay.
Type miss you.
So. Okay.
You again.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Mm-hmm.
Delete.
Why is this guy laughing, guys? Help me out here. Why do you think he's laughing, bro?
Type babe.
Babe. Okay.
Still you.
Yes.
Okay, face this way, lovey. Yeah.
This way.
Okay, delete that.
Okay.
Type pregnant.
Pregnant.
Do you have a child, Sia?
Akuveli mix pregnant bantu.
Okay, delete that.
Okay.
Type outside. Let's see who your man is fetching.
Outside.
Okay,
I think that young gentleman samkhona ngaphandle. Akhona seseyimi awudivisile. Ngeke sazi.
But will never know. Okay. Never know.
Yes.
Type thank you. Let's see who your man is doing favors.
Thank you. Okay, mngani wakhe nje abantu abanye ngibaziyo nje. Yeah.
He might be clean, guys.
Okay,
He might be clean.
delete that. Type last night.
Last night.
You never know.
I'm thinking every time this guy laughs, it's the messages he deleted. He's like, haha, it's gone now. It's gone now.
Yimi nomngani wakhe.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, delete that. Type morning after pill.
Morning after pill.
This guy's weird.
Nothing. Hey, ayilomfana.
Athuloyal bantu.
Like, type standwa.
Sithandwa.
Asanda. Yeah. Oh, bow. No man shall put Asanda. Okay, congratulations. Asanda, it's your turn.
Let's go, Asanda.
It is your turn, girl. Thank you.
But
Okay.
imagine no one's cheating, though. That would be crazy.
Don't disappoint us. Okay. Type love you.
Now we're cooking now.
Alright.
Okay, that's you, ne? Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Okay.
That's crazy. Like, no one's cheating, bro.
Okay. It's me again.
No one's cheating, bro.
Nothing dodgy. Okay, type outside.
Outside. Okay. Oh. Oh,
what'd you say?
Go into the chat.
Okay. Hey.
Asanda, who's fetching you? Sibona izinto up.
Ezanaso.
And the profile pictures of VW.
Yo, Polo James. Yo. You think you have a relationship until Apollo comes by, boy. You think you have a relationship, a nice firm relationship until she gets taken by Apollo, boy. Oh, nah, twin.
Polo, Asanda, going into media.
Yazini. Hi, yeah.
Nah, I felt that one for the brother. I can't lie. I felt that one. I can't lie, boy.
Asanda, what's done?
You still gibbeling taxis here, boy. Apollo came by and just took her like that. She's gone.
Sibona izinto up.
No, andile loyo nje. It's just
You already know about Andile. We haven't even said.
yeah.
Oh, Polo, obviously.
Yes, because we drive iphola umuntu engimaziyo andile nje kuphela.
Why was he fetching you?
Besiya somewhere. Bekiphethe kamngani wami. So besiya somewhere.
Okay, pictures izona ezizihot usende apha.
Ha. Sisi kahle why kanti like indaba zami ke?
Why are you playing the victim card now?
I'm asking for Usiya.
Akakhona ukuzikhulumela ke yena.
Tata Siya.
Okay, tshela mina ke. Yeah, bakulanda bakusaphi? Makwenzakalani?
Besephathini.
Phathini.
Yeah.
Mina ngitshela ngaleyo phathi waye mina ngayazi.
Bowuzovuma manje singephathini.
Now I use Whisperflow.
Question.
I just
So, as far as we knew, she's like an indoor girl, but yeah, party because she told us she doesn't even go out like that, you know. And I don't think it was a party. Do you guys think it was a party? I don't think it was a party day. There was no
Please
party.
ngitshela ngithi ukuthi ubucela permission iqala ngikwalele njalo ngithi kunesikhathi la kumele ngivumele khona ngesikhathi la kumele ngivumele khona. Wangangitshela.
Siya awakangishadi.
So
Thank you. He's talking about her. You need to come to me and ask for permission to go groove. You haven't even married her. That's even crazier. Even if you're married, but I get it. Like, by permission, you don't own her, dog. She can do what she wants. She can let you know. Same thing. Like, likewise, I can let you know as well, bruh.
Awakangishadi.
hayibo. Like ngijwayela wena ne.
Now, you can like say, keep her money first. Keep her money first, brother.
Angijwayeli. Ngiyakutshela ukuthi angijoli naye ukuthi ngitshola naye. Besiye ephathini kuphela.
Pictures Asanda.
Okay. Bengimsendela nje because bekathe ngimsendela le picture.
Lesithombe lesi sona.
Yeah.
Sona.
Ukuthi abone ukuthi kenzakalani.
Ngempela.
Yeah.
Ngempela.
Eqawa Asanda, khange uthi uyaphuma.
Ngiyaya esontweni angiphiki phela nami nokuzijabulisa nje mangithola isikhathi masengivumela.
So now she's saying that after saying she's a full-on church girl, she doesn't go out. So now she goes out. It's crazy. Now she goes out. We thought she's a full-on church girl, but now she goes out. Okay.
Masikuvumela.
Yebo.
Masikuvumela. Ngemvumo kabani?
Awusuka bami.
Oh, wena sotshela mina lento ukuthi angisuka baba khona namhlanje makabe uhlezi upreach irespect. Njalo kimi nawe irespect. Mara una respect into yenza manje.
Yeah, ngiyakurespect.
Hayi
So like siya uzovumela ukuthi abantu esingabazi ukuthi baphuma phi bazongena indaba zethu.
It is because ngibona amanyala bengawazi bowafihla njalo mina.
Because like ifone eyami. Why imele ubone ukuthi kwenzakalani ifoni yami? Ifone eyami.
Wakho nginayo i-right ukuthi ngibambe ifoni yakho mfethu.
There's a guy
Oh,
who's
so
losing order by arguing with her right now. I can't lie, bro. I can't lie. Just like, it's fine. Just leave her.
Thayo.
Just leave
So
her.
thayo.
Ah ungishadanga siya.
ufuna ukushada Usiya.
Mina ngishade qala. Bese ke kuyikhana actor le yafuna actor ngakhona. Mina
Awushada.
No, guys, I'm worried.
yeah.
Why did he take off the headsets?
Cheater ngoku.
I'm not cheating. Angicheat.
Siya, do you wanna call Andile?
Kamnandi kabi. Yes, please asimfoneleni ngayithanda leyo. Angithi sanjoli wena ngithi. Oh anjoli. Okay. Ngathola ukuthi
This guy
najola.
is riding taxis and he's calling Apollo that's been taking his girlfriend around. What are you doing with your life, dog? Go work harder. Leave the guy alone. Let him chow your girl. It's fine. You need to work harder. Get your own car, boy. Get your own stuff together, boy.
Kwenzala.
Yes.
Oh, awazi ukunika
Calling the guy, you gotta confront him while he's better than you. He's doing better, clearly now. He's doing better, boy.
attitude. Uyatelela muntu wami.
Hey, hayi.
Sithando sami uyatelela man. Sithando sami uyatelela. Ena ngihlezi ngitshela ukuthi ngithande le nto leyo.
Angijoli naye angithi uzomuzwa Andile.
Asamfonela.
Yeah. So from phone ngazwa imile sesi ngifone
Ngiyamtalalela.
Umntana abantu. Oh, Asanda.
Umzulu uhlinile ke manje umzulu akahleki ke manje umzulu. Mama sihle kanje akahleki umzulu.
Hi, am I speaking to Andile?
Awungiyathusa do umbheka.
Hello?
My nigga, blink though. Blink though. Damn
Hello?
ass. It's not that hard, bro. It's trying to be intimidating. Blink.
Hi, am I speaking to Andile?
Ya ukhuluma naye.
Asking hello.
Hola njani mfethu?
Sure bro, skipper.
Ngimnandi wena?
Angimnani jaya.
Sure awuthi yami amqavo wasanda.
Wasanda.
Sure.
Amusa umuntu wami loyo. Ufulani kuye? Isibali
Right
angithi
now, he's about to say congratulations, bro.
ngiyasho ukuthi umuntu wami loyo wena ufunani kuye?
So senesikhathi esingakanani nizwana wena naye cause mina nginaye manje ndiyakuphika.
Uthini?
Seninesikhathi esingakanani nizwana wena noAndile ngoba mina kimi uthi you guys are not dating.
We are not dating.
Usho njalo.
This guy has turned into a best friend right now. This is like the best friend role. Uzamukhlukanisa but not as a boyfriend. He's doing it as a friend.
Uthi le ndaba uyithatha kuye?
Nginaye as we speak right now mina nawe bra.
Alikhuluma naye la.
Nasi lesifetshana sakho.
Hello Andile. Andile.
Hello baby.
Ayo nawe ke wayinweba. Right.
The same way he was nubbing it that day. The day he pulled up and took you around with that polo. He was doing the same thing.
Yina satsholi mina nawe.
Samba hey.
Yazi ukuthi ngifake inkingeni engakanani Andile?
Ufake inkingeni.
Yes.
Enhlekweni ufuna ukubonani ye?
Ha, mina nawe sajola kanti.
Asatsholi yani.
Ha, Andile sajoli.
So when you jola before?
Sis.
Asanda? Then you jola before?
Let's jola.
Andile, how long have you been together?
We still together. Mina naye
Hello,
sazwa.
boy.
How long have you been together?
How long?
Oh, Betuna. Kuthwana.
And not as in sharp lapha.
More
So unesikhathi esingakanani nijola?
than 2 months.
More than 2 months.
Yeah.
Ah man, he's lucky. He's lucky. It's not even that long, boy. I mean, I'd be happy. Like, okay, cool, boy. Siyahlukana, but it's come. It's been 2 months. It's a light 2 months. Then hearing 6 months. A year. Huh. The polo's been chowing my girl for a year. Huh. It's shy, boy. It's shy. That's when you really feel stupid as a man. They've been chowing your girl for a year. You didn't know. You're busy here taking her in taxis. Or other guys taking in a polo. It's shy. It's shy, my boy. The levels are different. The game is played different that side. Let's see what they're actually gonna do now.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Kaskeko.
The tension.
Wow.
Wow.
Phika ke. Phika
Angisho bonga ngiphi isikhathi sakho.
so khanya
Now there's an excuse.
ngathi manje.
Yes.
Wow. Uzale ngixoxele. Uzale ngixoxele. Mina ngiyahlezi ngihamba ngiyophandela mina nawe ukuthi sibe kene mawuzongitshela ngesikhathi wena. Isikhathi
Matter, boy, you weren't punting hard enough, my G. The other guy put up in a polo. In a car while you punting in a taxi.
sibalekile ukudlula imali yakho ukuthi ngispendele kuwe. Into ebalekile kuphakathi kwemali nesikhathi.
Isikhathi.
Isikhathi.
Yeah, Andile. I mean siya.
Awa, bro.
Enhle kuyanhlanyisa wena ne. Enhle ufuna ukubonani.
Siya.
Enhle ufuna ukubonani. Bebe bengihlezi ngikutshela ukuthi izofika lelanga ne. Uyimistake. Mamela ke.
Then if you beat up, he's gonna come. What do you mean, dog?
Uzale ngixoxele. Yabona nje ubungijolele. Njengoba ungijolele, awusirama sana esinkweni awusheleli. Yazi, awusushukele etiyeni akho namnandi. Bekumane ngikwenzele ifavor. Ngizane
Zulu.
nawe nje. Ngangibambi. Hlukana nabo. Hlukana nabo. Bale ngizokubamba. Hamba baba, ngakhuluma manje. Mamela ke sona sami. Futhi sakubiza ngesona sami ngisakunceka ngiyabheketisa ngingomba.
Ukuthi ngicabangela abantu bangene phakathi kwethu.
Bangenile.
Andile.
Futhi bangisizile. Kosi mabangolisa amanyala wena bowafihla. Bozokhipha nini indaba le? Bozokhipha nini?
So uvume ukuthi sizibeke kanje.
Oh yes, ngiyavuma vele cause yimi silima lana ngithi. yimi silima ngithi mina ngiyakusupporta ngikwenzela ngito kubhadalela lezinto zesikole ngicela ungasondeli ngapha
Ngicela sikhulume indaba zaseceleni.
into esikhuluma into efuna ukukhuluma nawe
Hayi phambili.
ayikho into efuna ukukhuluma nawe mamela lana yazini
And asazi ngoku.
lebe sihlanganisa mina nawe sengishap I'm done ngigrand qhubeka ke no Andy lokho mapholi akithi mina ngoba uJohnny Walker mina ngihamba ngenyawo anginamoto
Ngiyaxolisa.
ufuna abanemoto angithi wena
No,
hamba kubo
Siyathanda wena.
Siyaxolisa manje
Sithanda wena siya.
Siyaxolisa manje
Ngithanda wena.
Siyaxolisa
Cara, my brother, and buy a car now. We need you to buy a car
Usangithanda
now.
Yeah.
Wabe ngicabanga ukuthi angithanda
Ngithanda wena. Bonga ngiphi isikhathi sakho. Kumele ngenze kanjani ngoba bonga ngiphi isikhathi sakho.
Sengithanda ukuba ubanjiwe sengithanda ukuba ubanjiwe
Ngiyaxolisa si.
Yes, of
Akungitshela bangakho abantu abafile ngenxa yoxolo uxolo lakho luzolungisa kanjani lidamage oyenze la enhlizweni nami uxolo lakho luzolungisa kanjani
Ngicongixolele. Ngiyacela like izinto zethu inkosi sisithathe sami sesikhuluma sami hayi lana ngiyacela.
mamela bomphika kusho ukuthi silema wabani la uqala wamphika soyaxolisa manje enhle kumephi ngathi awuzazi nje nawo confused
Ngithanda wena.
uyithukhala wena awuzazi
Wena.
So yima uAndile, does he give you time and money? Kunika ntoni uAndile?
Ngangiphi isikhathi sakhe and
ufuna isikhathi wena ne
yeah.
Funa ixesha wena.
Yeah.
So nobufrat.
Angithi bongiphi imali.
mamela ke
Maka ungiphi isikhathi.
yabona since ufuna isikhathi sisi wami ne hamba uthenga iFirst Watch uzokwazi ukuthola isikhathi mina ngithi anginaso mina anginaso isikhathi hamba uthenga iFirst Watch
Ngicela singakhuluma izinto zethu phambi kwabantu. Ngicela singakhuluma izinto ngiyacela.
Qedile
fine,
sengishapa
she's
angisakufuni
Siya.
angisakufuni
Okay.
Ngiyabona izinto zenze.
The guy took off his jacket so he can just speak and shout. Man, I thought he was gonna beat her.
vele
Wait.
Ibifoni yakho si.
hawu yes sis.
Sorry man, Siya man cards.
yeah right vele
So uzohlala noAndile wePaul.
Ngithanda usiya mina.
Uzoforce uba noSiya.
Yeah, ngizofosta.
Hayi njani bana wena?
Siya ngithanda wena.
Siya.
mina ngisakuthandi ke
Ngoba ubona abantu.
ngoba ngibona bakhoja
Kayiwani.
angithi uyicheater wena gijima kakhulu uyicheater wena ngithi
Ngithe kayiwani.
nami sengigrandisa
Ngiyacela ngicela
Right.
singenzi kanje.
sengiqedile futhi akunawenzile waqeda nePaul
Yo.
ngoba mina uJohnny Walker ngithi uhamba nabantu mama Paul wena mama Vura ngithi uyavurazela wena
Where's your polo though? Yo, where's your polo though, guy?
pha
Hold on.
Abantu siya ngicela.
sengiright Johnny Walker seka right ke vurupha
W Johnny Walker.
ngibambi
Abantu ngiyacela.
Rev
Ngiyacela
the young 2 series, boy.
ungayenzi into leyo. Inkosi ungayenzi into lezomyenza.
andazi into ebhlungu bengincenye ipresent yakho sani for birthday yakho njengoba kuzoba birthday yakho manje nje maduzana uyazi bengiplan ukuthenga ilani uyayikhumbula le necklace owayicela yase American Swiss le 1.8 I was willing to pay it son ngikuthengele yona ngikhombisa ukuthi ngiyakuthanda singadela konke for wena son
Bekuyiphutha. Sonke siya exactly for 2 months. Sonke siyawenza amaphutha.
elisha lona iphutha lizolungiseka kanjani ngele phutha
Solungisa sohlala phansi sikhulume kahle.
uzophinde ngithembe kanjani
Uzoregain trust yami ngiyathembisa.
Oh, boy.
njani
Uzobona kusenza kanjani.
uyangichaza ke ngoba ukhuluma ngetrust waza kutshela something about trust
Preach, boy, preach.
trust is like glass once it's broken it's never been fixed
True. So mina nawe ukhaza ukuthi siyahlukana.
yes
Lalela lana ke. Mawukuthi siyahlukana it's fine anginendaba.
yahamba
Yeah,
kwandile
sharp.
wakho sure akube
Akunandaba.
njani hamba kwandile yakho vele
Right.
ya ngithi kunika isikhathi yena
Right.
hamba isikhathi
Bengithi ngenza uAndile chicken yami ngithi ngiyamkhutha. Hayi ke. Ahamba ke. Hamba ku right. Ufuna sihlukane ngithi asihlukane ke.
ya vele
Sharp.
ya vele ayitshaya vele
Okay guys, okay.
ayitshaya
Okay. That's it. I don't need transport.
I-transport yani.
You don't need transport to go back home.
If she needs transport, it's shy. She was mean, boy. She can walk now. She can call Andile to come pick her up, bro. Like, did you see how she answered her? That was crazy. That was so mean. And then you're gonna say you need transport after that. It's shy. You can walk, my sister. Or just call Andile. Okay.
Plus, you don't need transport.
I-transport yani.
You don't need transport to go back home.
Lo mbonakalo sowenze lana awukho enough.
Hey, ndikushiye ke ngapha stranded.
Ngikho ukuthi ungishiye ngizozithanda.
Cela ushiye Asand. Lovey, I'm so sorry. You can go about your day now. I'm sorry I ruined your day. At least you know what's happening here. I'm sorry.
sanungiphulile inhliziyo yazo uyiphulile inhliziyo hamba vele kandile wakho hamba vele andingaphinde uze lapha yini yazo ngaphinde ufonele uplock ngidelete sale lwandile wakho akwenzele konke akunika isikhathi ngithi wena unendaba nesikhathi wena uwash into edom unendaba nesikhathi angithi sharp hamba ke hamba phume kimi yes
Uxolo man, Siya maniva. I'm so sorry my scat. You don't need transport.
ngiyakucela Nkosi angeke ngikwazi ukufika endlini nginje
Okay. We'll take you home. We'll take you home. Let me just close the show. Stand on the side, ne?
Come on, guys. Bring the cut back with another episode, guys. Thank you for tuning in. This one was crazy. My guy, just work hard. You know, like the more you like analyze how people's relationships work, the more you realize that as a guy, everything comes from having money, having your life together. The rest will come, dog. Like literally, I'm not even joking. This guy got cheated on because he doesn't have money. The other guy is giving him money. He pulls up in a pole and they're not walking places. You need to log in and grind as a bro. Or else it's cha. See you guys in the next episode. Thank you for tuning in, bro. Peace out.